Dibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinilo nono wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanya, I'm Mekeloni. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon. And welcome to another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. So you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Leticia. Yep, give it up for Leticia. Shout out to her for sending in her request for this Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Leticia to describe herself, right? And one of the things that she told me was that she likes taking walks in the park, just being in nature, listening to the sound of the leaves and things like that. So I came up with a really good Igbo Name of the Day for her. Kind of just like the mood of the way she kind of described things made me think of the name Chidumebi. Come on, say it with me. Chidumebi. Good. So, Chidumebi, or the short version of that word is also Dumebi, and I believe there's an Afrobeat song entitled that, Dumebi. So, Chidumebi, so I'm going to translate that name for you. So, Chi, in this context means God. It can mean a few different things, like your personal relationship with God or your guardian angel. In this context, it means God. Du or Idu means to lead, right? Or to guide, things like that. And Ebi means Ibi means to live, right? So it's a little bit, the meaning kind of gets a little bit confusing in English, but when you put it all together, it means God lives with me, God guides me, God's spirit is with me. So when she talked about just being connected with nature and things like that, that's one of the names that came to mind. Like her personal relationship with God, her guardian angel, being with her in the solitude of nature. So, Chidumebi. So, Chidumebi's names give them the power to have a very unique perspective on the world. They see the world a lot differently than other people do. So this allows them to be visionaries, great leaders, and they're also very highly emotionally intelligent. Share this with all the Chidumebis that you know. Thanks. So, Dumebi or Chidumebi, is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section below. Like this video and share it with all the Dumebis that you know. Also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button whenever, so that whenever I post a new video, you get a notification. Yeah, I think that basically covers it. So thank you for tuning in to today's episode. I will see you in the next episode. And if you want your very own Igbo name, hit my IG DM that's in the description below. And if you have, if you're Igbo, if you want me to feature your Igbo name, then please let me know as well too, and I can do that as well. All right, thanks.